96% of users abandon health and fitness apps within just 3 months. 95% sack off language apps like Duolingo after 3 months, and that same 95% sack off meditation apps after just the first week. So if you've ever downloaded an app to learn a new language, start meditating, or kick off a new diet, and you didn't stick with it, you're not alone. I bet you were consistent at first, but then you missed a day. Before you knew it, a notification pops up. It's been 6 months since you used this app. You want to delete it to free up some space. But why didn't you stick with it? It's not about motivation or discipline. The real reasons are accountability, loss aversion, and slow progress. First, loss aversion. When something's free, there's no real consequence if you quit. But if you've invested money, whether you've forked out $1,000 for a 3-day meditation retreat, paid for a year of language classes, or hired a nutrition coach to help you get in shape, you're far more likely to stick with it. Nobody wants to waste money. Next, accountability. Without someone holding you to your goals, it's easy to let things slide. When you have a coach or a tutor, you're motivated to follow through because you don't want to disappoint them. It's social desirability bias. An added bonus is that they are an experienced voice of reason in their field, so they've got the skills to help you overcome any bumps along the way. And finally, progress is slow. Meaningful change takes time, and without financial buy-in or accountability, it's easy to give up before you see results. The solution? Get accountability and financial skin in the game. It'll keep you committed long enough to see the results you want, rather than just going in circles for the rest of your life without seeing lasting progress in whatever goal you're pursuing. If you found this helpful, you should take my Nutrition Insight quiz. Answer 12 questions and I'll send you a personalized diet report. As a trade for your email, I will also send you my best diet hacks from my years of coaching. I'll never spam you and you can unsubscribe anytime. DM me the word quiz and I'll send you the link.